How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm in the garage. The car's not here. Yeah, I sold it. Bullshit, man. This thing's never getting sold, ever. It's mine. I love it. And it's out the garage. And look, I even gave it a little wash. And I've got a hose here because that's for the rocker breather. And we're going to take it for a bit of a drive today. So probably nothing spirited, I wouldn't say anyway. Well, you know how I always get a wee bit carried away with myself, but what I'll maybe do is maybe speak to Jock, see if Jock wants to come out and have a wee rip and see how he thinks it is. But we'll see. It depends on how it behaves, to be honest, because I still need to map this thing. Let's get to that straight away. So yeah, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the rocker cover breather pipe on just now, and yeah, take it for a drive to the petrol station and get some fuel. Let's get to it, plug in my little USB. ECU and engine on, turn it over. Oh yes. And look at our voltage. As you would have seen from the last video, we're now at 14 volts, which is vital for performance. Well, I'm going to let this thing warm up a little bit and drive into town. So auto mode, just in this, put it doing it, and change to the gears yourself. Did you actually make it to the petrol station? Oh yes. So gonna nip along, see my pal Jacob, and just gonna send it.
If you want to stick it on the car. Yeah, I've got a mount actually. A few mounts.
I'll maybe take them out, we can have a wee rip. But I'm having issues just now because I need to play with clutch slip. And we're getting a bit of clutch slip. And I think it's because I've done the clutch learn when the box was cold, the oil was cold. So now when it gets hot, it's a lot thinner. So you're going to have to redo that again, I think.
Just, what, the clutch learn?
Fun and games. Yes, guys. So I just managed to do the clutch relearn there, which use INPA, which is the BMW diagnostic software, just via CAN bus. Ignore the idle just now. When you're doing this test, when you're doing the test with the clutches, you need to switch off closed loop idle. The way that this INPA software works is it needs to see the engine RPM drop when it engages its clutches, and that's how it knows it's dragging the clutches. So if you have closed loop idle on there, it then automatically changes the RPM to be right. So if we go back into the software now, let's see here. So this is in here. I've got these down. I'll probably put these back to 13 or 12 or 13 anyway, and back into closed loop idle. Good. That's her happy again. Nice one. So I'm going to take it for a drive and see how that turns out. That knocking you hear as well as the exhaust, so don't worry about that too much. my god, it launches hard, like, it really does get out of the hole fast. So I'm having a little issue. It's not so much an issue, but I think it slips in first. But if a proper clutch slip would slip higher up in the gears, and it doesn't then, so it's obviously just a setting. So I'll need point here, you'll see I've cranked up the boost a little bit and sorted some of the gearbox issues, so here we go. Decided to go and get some fuel again. 20 litre tank, just running pump gas for all you Americans. Yeah, we don't have E85 or anything fancy here, so just get stuck with what I've got just now. Fuck. Oh, this is next level, by the way. So anyway, here guys, hope you've enjoyed the little video anyway. A bit of hooding around. I love driving this thing about. I've been going silly with it for a while, so just proving reliability, just trying to make sure everything's all happy, and yeah, we'll just carry on as we are. Right guys, thank you very much for watching, and we'll catch you as always in the next vid. Cheers.